what's up? This is ScottWitebsky with Edina Realty, aka the Teddy Bear Realtor. Yeah, I might as well run with it, right? And I'm here today with my on-the-go vlog, and I'm talking about renovations and some smart investments and not as smart investments. This all comes from RIS Media's House Call article that I found kind of interesting. So we're going to start with some of the not as smart investments, and the first one is overly ornate, trendy details in your house. Let's think gold-plated crown molding, ornate mosaic backsplashes in the kitchen, stuff that if you miss that bubble of where they're super hot in style, then it just is gonna hamper the sale of your house. Then the next thing is luxury items. We're talking sport courts, saunas, home movie theaters. The caveat with this one is if you're in an upscale neighborhood where these are common, then it's not gonna really hurt your investment at all. It'd be just completely normal. But if you aren't in that type of neighborhood, then as much as a buyer may like these things, they're just not necessities, and for the added cost, they're just not going to want your house, which leaves it sitting on the market longer and lowering the price. The third one is the amount of renovations that you do. We're talking if you put in so many renovations that your house is now worth $800,000, but every other house in your neighborhood is worth $400,000, that's just going to be a hard sell for your house. And then the last one is swimming pools. And again, if you like swimming pools, that's part of your lifestyle, if you have kids that are out swimming all the time, go for it. To install one, it costs about $40,000 on the national average. And there's a upkeep cost, and then there's a safety concern. So that's where the not as smart, I'm putting that in quotes, investment comes into play. Now let's talk about the smart investments. First one is going to be new steel front door. The front door is important because it's the first detail of the house that people are looking at, the buyers are looking at when the realtor is unlocking the lockbox. They're just sitting there staring at the door. So if you need to put in a new door, they're saying put in a nice new steel one. They run about $1,000. Besides curb appeal, they say steel because of the safety that they have, the durability, and they're super easy to maintain. Then the next one is, and this one isn't quite as big in Minnesota yet, but it may be getting there. It may get there in the future, and that is solar panels. We're going more green, and the cost of putting in solar power into a house is going way down, and the money that it's saving is going up. And then the last one is siding, and that is just like the front door. That is the very first thing people see at your house when they pull up to the home, and a front door has about 100% return of investment. The siding has about 80%, but that money that you're gonna lose from the installation of the siding, you're gonna make up from putting your house on the market without replacing the siding if you have, siding that needs to be replaced. So it still is a very smart investment to do. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you found that interesting, and till the next time, let's have some successful sales. Peace. Bye.